my dear smart learners, welcome back. Let us dive into today's lecture with the concept number 8, that is measuring mass. What is mass? The amount of substance contained in a substance is called as mass. I repeat, the amount of matter contained in a substance is called as mass. Generally, to measure mass, we will be using a physical balance or a beam balance. Suppose if you visit a grocery shop or a vegetable vendor, they will be measuring the mass, the amount of matter by using a physical balance, simple physical balance, in which the weights are added in the right side pan and the vegetables or any groceries are kept in the left side pan. Do you know the reason behind that? Because it is easier to remove and add any amount of weights in the desired quantity. Hence, generally, right pan is used to add weights and left pan they will be keeping the groceries and all. But in order to measure the very precious items like costly items like gold, silver, diamonds and all, shopkeepers will be using beam balance, also called as physical beam balance. Okay, let me show you the picture of this. So, did you ever notice this type of picture, children? So, whenever you visit a gold shop, village side especially, they will be using this type of instrument to measure the precious items like gold, silver or diamonds and anything. So, it is made up of a wooden block with two doors. These doors can be closed so that there won't be any disturbance because of the surrounding airs and all. And generally the object will be kept in the left side pan and weights will be added in the right side pan. And this is your horizontal line and this will be pointer. Okay. So, whenever the mass gets balanced, then the pointer will be oscillating. And hence, we can say that this is balanced. During the balanced condition, this will be kept horizontal. Remember that. So, whenever equal masses are suspended at equal distances, then this beam will be horizontal. I repeat, whenever equal masses are suspended at equal distances, then the beam remains horizontal. This is the principle of beam balance or physical balance. Equal masses at equal distances is the principle. Okay, so this is called as a physical balance or beam balance. Now, coming to so these are the weights you would have observed in whenever you'll be purchasing the vegetables and all. So these are the weights we will be using to measure any amount of desired quantity. They are ranged from 100 to 500,000, 2 kgs are also there. So this might be 100 grams, 500 grams, 200 grams and 500 grams is 1 kg and 1 kg is also will be available. These elements are generally made up of iron and this is hexagonal in shape. Hexagonal means having 6 sides. 6 sides figures is called as hexagonal and this is generally made up of iron. If you turn back to that, the government will be keeping then sealed with it, that made up of lead seal. The government will be adding lead seal on that. Okay, so this is the iron bars we will be using to measure the desired quantity. And remember, the SI unit of mass, standard international system, SI unit of mass is kilogram. What is that, children? Kilogram. Symbolically, it is represented as kg, kilogram, capital K and small g. Okay, so where 1 kg is equals to 500 grams. 1 kg is equals to 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. Okay. Along with that, so what is the SI unit, children? Kilogram. So to measure mass, SI units is kilogram. Symbolically, it is represented as capital K and G. Where the other forms of units, apart from kilogram, the higher units, that is multiple units, are quintals as well as metric ton. Quintals as well as metric ton. And 1 quintal is equals to 100 kilogram. 1 quintal is equals to 100 kilogram, whereas 1 metric ton is equals to 1000 kilogram. I repeat, 1 quintal is equals to 100 kilogram and 1 metric is equals to 1000 kilogram. This can be also written as like this: 10 into 100 kg. 1000 can be written as 10 into 100. So what is 100 kg, children? 100 kg is nothing but quintal. So 1 metric ton can also be written as 10 quintals. 1 metric ton is also equals to 10 quintals. 1 quintal is 100 kg. 1 metric ton is 1000 kg, or 1 metric ton is equals to 10 quintals. Okay, these are the multiples of kilogram. Apart from that, if you look at the submultiples, what are submultiples of kilogram? Submultiples of kilogram are milligram, gram and so on. And where 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams, whereas 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram. 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram. Hence 1 kilogram is equals to how many milligrams? 1 kilogram is equals to 10 power 6 milligram. That's all. Okay, children? Let me write it that also. So 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. Instead of gram, I can write it as 1000 as it is. Instead of gram, I can write 1 gram as 1000 milligram. Hence all together 3 zeros and 3 zeros, you have 10 power 6 milligram. So 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams or 10 power 6 milligrams, whereas 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram. So remember this, children. Okay, what is the SI unit of mass? Kilogram. And 1 quintal is 100 kgs, 1 metric ton is 1000 kg, and 1 metric ton is also equals to 10 quintal. So here come across some multiples. 1 kilogram is 1000 grams, 1 gram is 1000 milligrams, and 1 kilogram is also equals to 10 power 6 milligram. Okay, so based on that, let us move to the today's topic. Okay, remember, children, often people will confuse mass with weight. Whenever we will be measuring any of these values, these are only called as mass. Don't call it as weights. So general reference, we will be saying it as weight. So what is the weight of your body? Like, what is the weight of the potatoes? No, never say weight. It should be mass only. Okay, scientifically it is wrong. Always use mass. Okay, so moving to the numerical part of this. The amount of matter contained in a substance is called, what is that called as, children? The amount of matter contained in a substance is called mass. Very good. Next, the SI unit of mass is, mass is measured in kilograms. Okay, and other forms of units are milligram, gram, quintal. Okay, but SI unit, standard unit, means kilogram only. Next question. For measuring mass of costly substances like gold, silver, diamonds and all. So what instrument are we using? We're using beam balance. What is, I showed you the picture, that is called as a beam balance. Okay, so grocery shop will be using physical balance, and for gold shops and all, we will be using beam balance. Okay, next, 1 quintal is how many kgs it has? 100 kgs. So 1 quintal is equals to 100 kgs. Are you getting me, children? Okay. Next, 1 kilogram, you need to convert in grams. 1 kilogram is how many grams? 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. So, where is the answer? Here. 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. Next. Standard weight is generally made up of. Standard weight is generally made up of which element? I told you that black color which I showed you. Yes, iron. So, where is it? Here. The weight, standard weights is generally made up of iron, which is hexagonal in shape, back to which the lead seal will be given by the government, and few people will be removing the lead. For in short form, milligram can be written as milligram, milligram. Okay, so I told you that first letter should be capital and next letter should be small. So this is not the right answer, not capital, not so milligram is always represented as small m, small g. Okay, this mg, not this. In short form, milligram can be written as mg, small letter m and small letter g. 1000 kilograms equals to how much? 1000 kilograms in tons, in quintals, both 1 and 2 in quintals. First of all, we know that 1 quintal is equals to 100 kilogram. You remember this? 1 quintal is 100 kilogram. Then, if I want 1000 kilogram, I need to multiply with 1000. 10 into 1000 kilo. 10 into 100 kilogram. How much is that? 1000 kilogram. Okay. 1 quintal is 100 kilogram. 100 into 10 means 10 quintals. 100 kg, 1 quintal. 100 into 10 kg, 10 quintals. So 100 into 10 is 1000 quintals. So 10 quintals is equals to 1000 kg. Where is the answer? Here. Is that the only answer? Because here they have given in metric ton. I already told you that 1 metric ton is equals to 1000 kgs. Okay. So 1 metric ton is equals to 1000 kgs and 10 quintals is equals to 1000 kgs. So both 1 and 2 are true. So which one must be your correct answer? Third option. So both 1 and 2 is true. A small buyer will check for dash in a standard way to prevent the merchant from cheating him. So I told you that lead mark will be given by the government, lead seal will be given by the government, and to cheat us, okay, to measure the lesser weight, what these people will be making means the shopkeeper vendors, they will be removing that lead part of that, whatever the seal is given by the government. So the cheater shopkeeper, what they will be doing means the trademark, they will remove the lead seal from that. Okay, so that it weighs less amount and they will have the profit. Next, which of these are correct? Is 70 grams equals to 70 kilograms? How is that possible? No. 70 kgs equals to 70 milligram? No. If kgs you want to convert into milligram, it should be 10 power 6. So wrong answer. Is 70 kg equals to 70 kilogram? Of course, kg is the short form of writing, kilogram is the normal form of writing. So 70 kg or 70 kilogram, both are same. So 70 kg equals to 70 kilogram. But here also 70 kg equals to 70 kilogram they are written, but this is not the proper way of writing kg. In order to represent kg, this is the proper way. So this is also wrong answer. Okay. Hope you are getting me, children. Next, 1 milligram equals to how many grams? I told you that 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram. Isn't it? 1, 2, 3. So 10 upon 3. 1 gram is equals to how many milligram? 10 power 3 milligram. If I want 1 milligram here, I need to bring this 10 power 3 to the other side. 10 power 3 if you brought other side, then what will become? It will become 10 power minus 3. So this is 10 power minus 3 grams. So 1 milligram is equals to 10 power minus 3 gram. Here is your answer. Are you getting me? So 1 milligram is equals to 10 power minus 3 gram. If you can't understand, I'll give you another formula. So 1 gram is how much? 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram. Bring the 1000 here. Then it will go to denominator. 1 by 1000 gram is equals to 1 milligram. Okay, this can also be written as 10 power 3, 1, 2, 3 gram is equals to 1 milligram. 10 power 3 come up means it will become 10 power minus 3 gram is equals to 1 milligram. Hence 1 milligram is equals to 10 power minus 3 gram. Next, 1 metric ton. 1 metric ton is equals to how much, children? 1 metric ton is equals to, remember, one metric ton is equals to 1000 kg. 1 metric ton is 1000 kg. But here nowhere they measure it as kgs. But here it is in grams as well as in milligrams. So let us convert the same. 1000, 1 kg in grams, how many grams? 1 kg is 1000 grams. So altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, totally 10 power 6 grams. So 1 metric ton is equals to how much, children? One metric ton is equals to 10 power 6 grams. Clear? Let us see whether, and rest of all were given in milligrams. Let us check whether this is also true or not. Okay? Maybe they would have given M here. Okay. Let us see. For the third option, let us try to convert the same in milligrams. We know that 1 gram is equals to how much, children? 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram. Do you remember this? 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram. So instead of gram, what I will be writing is 10 power 6 into 1000 milligram. This is nothing but 10 power 6 into 10 power 3 milligram. So 6 and 3 totally how much? 10 power 9 milligram. So 1 metric ton is also equals to 10 power 9 milligrams. So this is also true. Okay. So later on, if you look at this example, I'll change it to milligram over here. Then this would be the correct answer, because all other options were given in milligram. Maybe some typing mistake is there. Let us correct it later onwards. Okay. So next question. 1 kilogram is equals to how many milligrams? Just now we calculated. Yeah. 1 kilogram is equals to previous example. Okay, leave it. So 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. This is nothing but 1000 into, again grams and milligrams is again 1000 milligram. 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. This 1000 I wrote it here. Instead of gram, I wrote again 1000 milligram. 3 and 3. Totally how many zeros? 6 zeros. So 10 power 6 milligram. So 1 kilogram is equals to 10 power 6 milligram. Where is the answer? Here goes your answer. Hope you understand. Okay. In common balance, the picture that I have shown in the beginning of the class, common balance, the mass at the left hand pan is 25 kgs and the principle of common balance is satisfied. What is the principle of common balance? Equal masses suspended at equal distances. Okay. Then the mass of the right hand pan is, of course, if right side pan is, left side pan is 25 kgs, right side pan must also be 25 kgs. Then only it will be kept horizontal. So your answer is 25 kgs. Okay. Thank you, children. So let us wind up the today's class from here and let us meet in the next class. Thank you.